Good morning, awesome authors. I hope you had a terrific weekend. I wanted to share a story of something that happened to me this weekend. I was having lunch and this little girl approached me with this wooden box. And in her wooden box was a bunch of cool things that she used to make bracelets, such as safety pins and rubber bands and beads and letters. And she asked me if I wanted one of her bracelets because all of the donations were going to go to the ASPCA because the ASPCA saved her little dog and she just wanted to give back. Before I knew it, her little sister approached me and she says, "But wait, my sister didn't tell you that our grandma taught us how to make these bracelets because my grandma made them when she was little." Oh, you had me at hello. Look how many I bought. And it got me to think that this little girl's approach is no different than us promoting our book. And how do we promote our book without being conceited or without looking like a jerk? Number one is be authentic and be yourself. Number two is share your why and share your story just like they did about the ASPCA and about their grandmother. This little girl had her sister as her wing woman, but you know what? Your reviews and your testimonials are your wing women and your wingmen. So use them, utilize them, especially on your social media platform. I hope this information helps you. We'd love to hear from you and love to hear your comments and your suggestions. Have an awesome week. Put them below for us. Thanks.